Introduction to Annotative Objects. We usually draw our things that we're designing in full scale down in model space regardless of the size of the object. So if it's a really big object like a building, we draw it that big. And then at some point, even if it's really small, we draw it that small. So that means we're going to have to scale it. We're going to have to either enlarge in it or reduce that object to fit it on a piece of paper. We typically have been dealing with this in model space, but now we've been learning the process of layout tabs, and those layout tabs mimic the sheet of paper. So what we'd like to do then is have our floating viewports control our scales of our in our viewports in our layouts. And so therefore the old way of doing it was we had to do manual scaling of annotations or hatches or dimensions, and we had to calculate the size of those pieces of text so that when we reduced it down in the process of reducing the object so that it fit on the sheet of paper, that text would end up equaling then the height of text that we wanted to have when we plotted, such as 1/8 inch. The nice thing about annotative objects is that it basically does it automatically for us. It will convert the size of the text or the dimensions or the hatches or multi-liters and tolerances. It'll automatically do it based on the scale that we set in our floating viewport. So therefore we can change it all the time. It'll automatically update those objects for us so that we don't have to go back in and change the size of the text each time we change our scale of our objects. So we'll even do this method even if we are doing it at 1:1. And that way, just in case we ever decide to change our mind away from 1:1, 1 means plotted size versus real life size. It's a ratio between the plotted size and the real life ratio. So annotative objects are what I would think of as very smart, intelligent objects that allow us to adapt to various scales in our drawing automatically.